Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your resolution on CapCut, so to make your video a better quality, etc, etc. So let's pick a video we would like to edit or customize your resolution on. I'm going to pick my video number 3 because I'm not finished editing it. And once we get here, we're going to look at the top of our screen. As you can see, there's something that says 1080p. We're going to click on that. And once we're here, we have resolution and frame rate. So we're going to set the resolution. You have 480p, 720p, and 2K, 4K/4K. So right now it's on 1080p. You can set it to 2K, 4K for a better resolution. And that's about it. That's how you customize your resolution on CapCut. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.